lightheadedness does not get better the more humidity there is. Obviously, we can still see the frizz. There is nothing I can do about this. Well, today I finished up most of the cushions on the dinette set. I kind of did an oops, which you guys will find out at the end of the video. But it's all okay. It's all good. So no worries there. The kids are getting to play outside for a little bit before the next round of rain comes. I'm sure I'm going to have muddy monsters here in a little bit. Otherwise, it's been a nice quiet day. Kind of see them going around about there. Enjoy the video. This is another part of the RV updates and upgrades. We have a few other things left to do, which we won't be starting on, but look out, we got something fun coming tomorrow. All my Ford friends will like it. It's been a very long time since I've used this, and it doesn't tend to like me very much because the string likes to get stuck. Okay, well, doing okay so far. We'll see. What? Lost my scissors. Looks okay, hopefully. Let's find out. What are you doing, Meatball? So I don't have a perfectly straight stitch. Like I said, it's been a while. But like I said, these are going to be cushions, so I'm hoping that it's not noticeable if I'm lucky. If not, then I can always hide it.
Hide it?
Somehow. Yeah, hide it.
Hide it.
Hide it. Hide the imperfect stitch.
I put it there.
Yeah. You want to go sit down and watch your movie?
No.
No.
Mama is.
Okay, well, you can't sit over here. You can sit over there if you want to. You want to sit over there? You can't sit right here. No, no, you can't sit here. You can't sit there. You have to go around the other side. You can't sit over here, buddy. You got to sit on the other side. So, my husband bought me this sewing machine almost 10 years ago. And I have used it maybe twice because I haven't had a reason to. You hear my echo?
Me.
Who's me?
Me and Meatball.
Oh, the meatball's echoing me?
Mama.
What's up, buddy? Okay, so now the fun part is figuring out how to do the zipper, which never been very good at to begin with. And we'll see how I do on this. It might be a little frustrating. Last scissors again. Okay, well, that didn't come out too bad on that seam there. So, right on the edge, which is what I wanted, but it should hold good. Probably not the correct stitch to use, but we'll find out how it goes from there. Now I gotta switch the... Oh, no. Now I'll go like this. Ryland. Okay, so that's what it's gonna look like done. But me being me, I didn't order enough fabric, so I gotta wait till next week to finish that one. But you guys can see I've blended the color to kind of blend in a little bit. I got the fabric for the couch and this, so that'll make it all go a little bit better. So I think it looks nice personally. Not sure about anybody else, but all that matters on effort. That's what matters, effort. So you can kind of see what we had before and after with that one at least. That's interesting.